Welcome you all for the first lecture of Android operating system. What is Android? Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google. It is based on the Linux kernel and designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Google has changed the life of everyone by launching a product that improves the mobile experience for everyone. Android helps in understanding your tastes and needs by giving various features such as having wallpapers, themes and launchers which completely change the look of your device's interface. Why Android? Android is the most successful and powerful mobile operating system in the market today. So before jumping into that, let's first get an answer to why Android. It is open source, customizable operating system, reduce cost of development and overall complexity, larger community and developer reach, inter-app integration, higher success ratio, rich development environment, variety of apps can be developed. These are the features of Android. Low cost smartphones in emerging markets and strong demand for premium smartphones continue to be the driving factors, said Anshul Gupta, research director at Gartner. Let us see how Android has evolved. Google has launched different versions of Android till now. The name of these versions are in a living history from 1.0 to 1.1. In 2020, Android 11 release. It is the latest version from 1.0 to 1.1. In 2008, it is released, and it is the software did include a suite of early Google apps like Gmail apps, Calendar and YouTube, all of which were integrated into the operating system. Next, 1.5 Cupcake. The tradition of Android version names was born in 2009. Cupcake introduced numerous refinements to the Android interface, including the first on-screen keyboard. Every version has some new features, and as per the naming conventions are food items. Android version 1.6, that is the donut. It includes the ability for the OS to operate on a variety of different screen sizes and resolutions. Android version 2.0 to 2.1 Eclair. It came out a couple months later. Eclair was the first Android release to enter mainstream consciousness thanks to the original Motorola derived phone and the massive Verizon-led marketing campaign surrounding it. The release's most transformative element was the addition of voice-guided, and it made waves for injecting the once iOS exclusive pinch to zoom capability into Android, a move often seen as a spark that ignited Apple's long-lasting thermonuclear war against Google. In Android versions 2.0 to 2.1. The war begins with the Apple. Android version 2.2 Froyo Froyo did deliver some important front-facing features, though including the addition of the now standard dock at the bottom of the home screen, as well as the first incarnation of voice actions, which allowed you to perform basic functions like getting directions and making notes by tapping an icon and then speaking a command. Notably, Froyo also brought support for Flash to Android's web browser. Next, Android 2.3 Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, then comes Lollipop, Android 5.0, 5.1, Marshmallow, then Nugget, Oreo, Pie, then Android version 10 in 2019, and now 2020 it releases 2020 it releases Android 11. In Android version 10, Google released Android 10, the first Android version to shed its letter and be known simply by a number with no desert themed moniker. They discontinued the naming of the deserts in 2019 for the Android version 10. The software brings about a totally reimagined interface for Android gestures, this time doing away with the tappable back button altogether and relying on a completely swipe-driven approach to system navigation. Android 10 introduces a new setup for hotfix style updates that will eventually allow for faster and more consistent rollouts of small, narrowly focused patches. And the software has plenty of other quietly important improvements, including an updated permission system that gives you more control over exactly how and when apps are able to access location data, as well as an expanded system for protecting unique device identifiers. The user have control for the permissions in Android 10. Android 10 includes a system-wide dark theme, a new focus mode that lets you limit distractions from specific apps with the tap of an on-screen button, and a long overdue overhaul of Android's sharing menu. Live caption, visual captions, videos, podcasts, media playing, voice recordings. In the Android version 11 beta, Android 11 is shaping up to be a pretty substantial Android update both under the hood and on the surface. The software was released as a public beta in early June and is expected to be finished and ready for widespread rollout sometime in the late summer or early fall. Update builds upon the expanded permission system introduced in Android 10 and adds in the ability for users to grant apps certain permissions, those related to location access, camera access and microphone access only on the limited single user basis. It also pushes the background location permission. It removes an app's ability to see what other apps are installed on your phone. Android 11 more than doubles the number of once OS bundled elements that now exist as their own standalone modules, like apps in the Play Store. Basically, this can be updated directly by Google. Android 11 refines the system notification area to emphasize and simplify conversation-related alerts. It introduces a new streamlined media player that contains controls for all audio and video playing apps in a single space. And it adds in a new contextual menu of connected device controls for any smart products associated with your account. Last, Android 11 marks the long-awaited debut of Bubbles, a new kind of multitasking system first discussed in 2019, but then put on the back burner until now. Once apps start supporting the system, bubbles will allow you to pop conversations out into floating windows that appear on top of whatever else you are doing and can be condensed down into small floating bubbles that remain easily accessible for expansion. Plenty of other small but significant improvements in Android 11, and it's possible we will see even more between now and the software's finished form. The full release should show up sometime between July and September if Google's original timeline holds true. These are the different versions of Android from 1.1 to 11. And from Android 10, they discontinue the naming of the versions as a desert. Here different Android API levels are there. Android platform version and API level. Android version and API level supports that specific Android version. The features of Android: it is open source, customizable operating system, reduced cost of development and overall complexity, larger community and developer reach, inter-app integration, higher success ratio, rich development environment, variety of apps can be developed. In Android architecture, it is based on Linux kernel. Different libraries are there: runtime, application framework layer, applications layer. Total 5 layers are there. We will see details of architecture later. Various features are there in Android: user interface, messaging, web browser, connectivity, storage, multi-touch, multitasking, multi-language, Wi-Fi direct, Android Beam. These are the features. Android is used in various fields. It is used in travel, social media and video, music and audio, personalization, productivity, communication, tool, entertainment. And its building blocks are more basic 4 components of Android are activity services, broadcast receivers, content providers. And Android Studio is the editor which is used to develop Android applications. This is the statistics of Android version distribution. Android 10, API level 29. It supports 29 API level is support to Android 10. Various applications are there for Android. Already existing applications are there. You can see with the PCMag.com the 100 best Android apps for 2020, and for Atmanirbhar Bharat we have various opportunities to develop Android apps which are useful for the is utilized in social services. So many subjects are there to develop Android apps. Android browsers, free browsers are there, which you have the opportunity to develop any browser which is a security. You have to maintain the security. Communication apps are there, for example Facebook, Link-ID, Snapchat, Textra, WhatsApp. Food apps, so many food apps are there. Cookpad, Seamless, Untap. Health and fitness apps, so many apps are there. Clue, by Glow, Fitbit, Adidas. Music and podcast apps are there. Live, XLive, Spotify. Music repositories are available there. Free music is there. Mint is a fantastic online service to keep track of your finances. It really shines on Android. Photo apps, Lightroom, Flickr, Google Photos, Instagram, PixArt Photo Studio, Snapseed, reading and news apps. These are some of the examples of Android applications.